Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be 3400G build along with a premium motherboard which has got a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi inbuilt. So kind of future upgrade, and also we will be using RGB case and RGB RAM. So overall a better 3400G PC build. So let's begin with the PC component and their pricing, and after that we'll assemble the PC. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below, so go ahead and check the link in the description box for latest price, because the price which I'm going to share in this video would be today's price. So let's just go ahead and begin with the PC parts and their pricing. For cabinet we have got Entech DF500. This is RGB cabinet. It comes with 3 pre-built fan in front and a tempered glass. The total price is 4,599 rupees for this cabinet. For processor we have got Ryzen 5 3400G. This is 3rd generation processor, available for 12,900 rupees. We're gonna use a nice motherboard in this build, so we have got Gigabyte B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi both, available for 11,899 rupees. And for RAM we have got G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM. This is 8x2 3000 MHz, available for 8,800 rupees. And for SSD we have got WD Green 240GB M.2 SSD. This is for 2,415 rupees. For more storage we have got WD 1TB Blue, available for 2,850 rupees. For power supply we have got Corsair VS550. This is available for 3,250 rupees. The stock cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste. You don't have to add additionally. Alright, so we're done with the PC build, and as you can see here, it is looking beautiful. The total price is approx 46,000 rupees. Keyboard and the monitor is not included in this build. 3400G has Vega 11, which is close to GT 1030, and I have put here 16 gigs of memory because 2GB it will reserve for the Vega 11. It can do decent gaming, like pretty much every game can be played on low to normal settings at playable frames. And if in case you want to get more frames and at higher setting, you can add a GPU into this, as we have added 550 watt power supply. So definitely a upgrade of GPU in future will be there in this PC. So yeah, that's about the build. And if in case you have any question, I've shared the website link. You can go to the contact us page and you can shoot us your query. The phone number and email ID is available there. So let's end it here. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.